Hello students, today we will discuss the 11th chapter, that is the matrices. So this is the revision of matrix, types of matrices. Okay, so first of all we recall the definition of matrices. Okay, so what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangle arrangement of numbers. ये क्या है? रेक्टेंगल शेप में जो भी है वो नंबर्स की अरेंजमेंट है. So matrix is a rectangle arrangement of numbers. So arrange in a rows and columns. किसी भी तरह से कोई भी नंबर्स नहीं रहेंगे, वो एक रो और कॉलम में लिखने हैं. Okay, so that is the matrix. So matrix is a rectangle arrangement of numbers arranged in a rows and columns. Okay, so general notation of rows and column is m and n. So order of the matrix is generally denoted by m by n and read as m by n. Right? How to write? M cross n. This is the order of the matrix. Okay. Now notation of the matrix is matrix can be denoted by capital letters A, B, C, and so on. Okay. So for example, suppose A is equal to, this is the matrix having some numbers. So which numbers are there? 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0. So the order of the matrix is, first of all, count how many rows and columns are given in this matrix. Okay, so first is first row. This is the first row. This one is the second row. So there are two rows and how many columns? First, second, and third. So there are three columns. So order of the matrix is 2 by 3. Note this point. This is the row and this one is the column. This is the order of the matrix. Okay. Now another example. Suppose B is the matrix. Minus 3, 5, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5. Now how many rows are here? Now this is the first row, second row, third row. Means there are 3 rows. Okay. And how many columns? First, second, and third. This is the 3 columns. So order of the matrix is 3 by 3. And denote like this. You have to write here to denote the order of the matrix. Okay. Now the types of matrices. There are different types of matrices. First is रो मैट्रिक्स. रो मैट्रिक्स नाम में ही बहुत कुछ है, जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही रो हो, दैट इज द रो मैट्रिक्स. इज अ मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन रो. अ मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन रो इज कॉल्ड एज अ रो मैट्रिक्स. ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसमें एक ही रो होना चाहिए, बाकी कॉलम फिर कितने भी रहे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जैसे कि ए मैट्रिक्स है 1 2 0 3. Here is only one row and how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4. This is the 4 columns. So this is the order of the matrix and here is only one row. Because of that, this is called as a row matrix. Now second one is column matrix. Now column जैसे रो में था वैसे ही column matrix में भी है. तो column matrix में क्या रहेगा? A matrix having only one column is called as a column matrix. जिसमें एक ही column है, बाकी उसमें रो कितने भी आने दो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So that matrix is called as a column matrix. So this is first row, second row, and third row. Here is a 3 rows and 1 column. So order of the matrix is 3 by 1. This is the mistake here. So 1, first row, second row, third row, 3 rows and 1 column. So order of the matrix is 3 by 1. It's very simple. Now next one is zero matrix. Zero matrix is also called as a null matrix. Zero matrix नाम में ही जैसे बहुत कुछ है, जैसे कि a matrix having all the elements are zero. ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसमें सारे के सारे एलिमेंट कैसे होने चाहिए? जीरो होने चाहिए. That matrix is called as a zero matrix. And this matrix is A is equal to, suppose 0 0 0 0. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is a 2 by 2 ordered zero matrix or 2 by 2 ordered null matrix. Okay. Now next one is a square matrix. Square matrix. Square तो हमने बहुत सारे देखे. तो मैट्रिक्स में स्क्वायर कैसा होना चाहिए? जैसे कि a matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is called as a square matrix. मतलब ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसमें जितने भी नंबर्स ऑफ रोज है, जितने रोज रहेंगे उतने ही कॉलम्स होने चाहिए. That matrix is called as a square matrix. For example, A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 5 minus 3 2 1 0 2. This is the 3 by 3 ordered square matrix. This one is, suppose B matrix is 1 0 minus 1 3. This is the 2 by 2 ordered square matrix. Now next one is diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix, a square matrix in which a square matrix is called as a diagonal matrix if its non-diagonal elements are 0. A square matrix मतलब जिसमें रोज और कॉलम्स सेम रहेंगे, ऐसा मैट्रिक्स. A square matrix in which non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal, diagonal को छोड़ के. अभी ये जो है वो डायगोनल हो गया, जैसे हमारे स्क्वायर में कैसा एक डायगोनल होता है वैसे डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. उस नॉन डायगोनल को छोड़ के जो बाकी के एलिमेंट रहेंगे वो क्या रहेंगे, 0 रहेंगे. दैट मैट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड एज अ डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स. ओके, दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. स्केलर मैट्रिक्स में क्या होता है, a diagonal matrix, note this point, a diagonal matrix in which, diagonal matrix मतलब वो square matrix obviously आ ही जाएगा फिर. okay, so diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same. अभी इसमें diagonal element जो भी है वो कैसे रहेंगे, same ही रहेंगे. that matrix is called as a scalar matrix. okay, unit matrix or that is also called as a identity matrix. So a scalar matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is called as a equal or 1 is called as a unit matrix. okay, so unit matrix means a square matrix. This matrix is a square matrix. This matrix is also a diagonal matrix. This matrix is also a scalar matrix because the diagonal elements are same. If the diagonal elements are same, then that matrix is called as a scalar matrix. So this matrix is also a scalar matrix. This also is a diagonal matrix because उस नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट, डायगोनल को छोड़ के बाकी के एलिमेंट इसमें कैसे 0 है. So that's why this matrix is scalar matrix, diagonal matrix and a square matrix is also there. So this is a आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. आइडेंटिटी मींस जिसके आइडेंटिटी मतलब 1 यूनिट, जिसे 1 कहा जाता है. सो दैट मैट्रिक्स इज अ आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स और यूनिट मैट्रिक्स. सो नोटेशन ऑफ दिस आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इज कैपिटल I. So I, this is also can be written as I3. I3 means this is the third order identity matrix, or we can write here I2. I2 means second order. Second order means 2I2. okay, so this is the I2, that is 1 0 0 1. Here is also, note this point, diagonal elements are 1 1. This is called as a identity matrix. Now next one is upper triangular. नाम में ही बहुत कुछ है. अपर ट्रायंगुलर, अपर मतलब ऊपर, ऊपर ट्रायंगल बनना चाहिए. तो ऊपर ट्रायंगल मतलब क्या होनी चाहिए, a square matrix in which all the elements below the diagonal are 0. जो डायगोनल रहेगा उसके बिलो के एलिमेंट जो है वो कैसे होने चाहिए सर, 0 होने चाहिए. like this, suppose A is equal to, here is the matrix 1 2 3 0 4 5 0 0 3 and I am highlighting this here. अपर ट्रायंगुलर, डायगोनल के नीचे के एलिमेंट कैसे हैं सर, 0 है. और स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इन विच बिलो द डायगोनल एलिमेंट आर 0. डायगोनल के नीचे के एलिमेंट सब कैसे होने चाहिए, 0 होने चाहिए. देन दैट मैट्रिक्स इज कॉल्ड एज अ अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल. ओके, जस्ट वी हैव टू चेक द लास्ट वन इज लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर, जैसे ये अपर ट्रायंगुलर था वैसे ही ये लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है. तो लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स में क्या है, a square matrix in which all the elements above the diagonal elements are 0. डायगोनल के अबव वाले एलिमेंट वो सब कैसे होने चाहिए, 0 होने चाहिए. तो वहां पे क्या होगा, एक लोअर ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म होगा लाइक दिस. यू कैन चेक हियर, दिस इज द लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. Above the diagonal elements are 0. So this is the lower triangular matrix. Next one is symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is called as a symmetric matrix if all the elements of the matrix Aij is equal to Aji for all I and j. So means what? So this is a very important symmetric matrix. ये पहले square matrix होना चाहिए, and this matrix is called as a symmetric matrix if all the elements of the matrix Aij is equal to Aji. First of all, note that general matrix can be written like this. Suppose A is equal to in 2 by 2. Here is A11. Next one is A12. Here is A21, A22, and so on like this. A11 means what? This is first one represent row and second one represent the column. Means here is a first row and first column. So the place value of this element is A11. Now what about this one? This is the A12. A12 means first row and second column. Now A21, A2 means second row and first column. A22 means second row and second columns. Okay. Now here like this, Aij is equal to Aj for any value of I and j. Suppose I will take the value of A12. So I is here 1 and j is here 2. So which element is equal to this one? So this Aij is equal to Aji. तो इसको कैसा लिखेंगे? A12 को हम क्या लिखेंगे फिर? A21. ओके. सो दो ये जो एलिमेंट है, ये दो एलिमेंट कैसे होने चाहिए? इक्वल होने चाहिए वो भी मैट्रिक्स. So that matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. Now in 3 by 3, note this, here is -3 and -3 both are equal. Okay. So here value is A12 first row second column और ये A21 में आ गया है, तो इक्वल है. That matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. Then here is A13 first row third column which is equal to third row first column. These two elements are also equal. Now next one is second row and third column. Note this point. These two are also equal. Second row third column and this is equal to third row second column. Okay. So A12 is equal to A21. Second one is A13 is equal to A31 and third one is A23 is equal to A32. So these are the equal elements. Okay. So that's why this matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. So this is the condition for symmetric matrix if all Aij is equal to Aji. So this is the symmetric matrix. So this is the general matrix here. B is equal to A H G H B F G F C. This is called as a symmetric matrix because these two elements are equal. Then this G is equal to this G and F is equal to this here. So this is called as a symmetric matrix. Now come to next point of this one, skew symmetric matrix. So what is by skew symmetric matrix? Symmetric, skew symmetric. So skew symmetric में क्या होगा? A square matrix A is equal to Aij is called skew symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to minus Aj. देखो एक एलिमेंट पॉजिटिव है तो दूसरा कैसा है? नेगेटिव है. सेम ही रहेगा लेकिन चेंज इसमें क्या होगा? Aij is equal to minus Aji is called as a skew symmetric matrix. इसमें when I is equal to j, तो यहाँ पे I ये मैट्रिक्स में A11 को कौन सा एलिमेंट इक्वल होगा? A11 अगर इंटरचेंज भी किया दोनों I J 11 तो 11 ही रहेगा. मतलब डायगोनल एलिमेंट जो है वो सेम ही रहने वाले हैं. बट स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स में क्या होगा फिर? Aij is equal to minus Aj. When I is equal to j, I और j अगर इक्वल रहेंगे तो क्या होगा? अगर मैंने फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ले लिया A11 इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा? माइनस A11. A11 को एलिमेंट दूसरा कौन सा है? नेगेटिव वाला है. तो माइनस A1 अगर लेफ्ट साइड में लिया तो क्या होगा? A11 प्लस A11 मतलब कितना हो जाएगा? 2A11 इज इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स A11 इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 0. अगर A11 0 हो गया तो A22 क्या हो जाएगा? सिमिलरली वो भी 0 ही हो जाएगा. A33 0 हो जाएगा. A44 0 हो जाएगा. मतलब डायगोनल एलिमेंट जो है इसमें क्या हो जाएंगे? सब 0 हो जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर इसमें एक एग्जाम्पल हमें देखना है, So we can take the example of this one. Similar example here. Suppose A is equal to here. Sorry, this is 0, -2, 5. So if this element negative, this one is a positive. Diagonal element is 0. This is a -3. Here is 5. So this becomes -5. If this is -3, here is 3, and diagonal element is 0. So this is the skew symmetric matrix. Hence diagonal elements are always equal to 0, and these two elements are opposite to each other. If this is -3, this one is 3, means Aij is equal to -Aji. This matrix is called as a skew symmetric matrix. और सिमेट्रिक में क्या होगा, ये दोनों एलिमेंट कैसे रहेंगे, सेम रहेंगे, डायगोनल एलिमेंट कोई भी हो सकता है. ओके, लेकिन इसमें डायगोनल एलिमेंट पूरे 0 ही आएंगे, और ये जो नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स है, मतलब Aij एलिमेंट which is equal to -Aj, मतलब अगर कोई भी एक पॉजिटिव रहा तो एक कैसा होगा, नेगेटिव ही आएगा. Now come to next one is singular matrix. This is very simple. A square matrix is called as a singular matrix if its determinant is equal to 0. Determinant का सिंबल है दो स्टैंडिंग लाइन, उसके बीच में हमें A लिखना पड़ता है. So determinant A, पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में A, दो पैरेलल लाइन. This is determinant of A is equal to 0. Then this matrix is called as a singular matrix. If determinant is not equal to 0, then what? Then that matrix is called as a non-singular matrix. तो उसको non-singular matrix कहा जाएगा. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6. 10th में हमने पढ़ा था कि determinant कैसे फाइंड करना है. 10th में हमें डायरेक्ट था ऐसा. Suppose A is equal to A is determinant था 1, 2, 5, 6. So this is the matrix. This is the determinant. 10th example. So determinant of A is equal to, we can multiply these two numbers first. So 6 ones are 6 minus, then 5 twos are 10. So this is equal to -4. So this is the determinant of the given. Okay. So given A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6. तो इसका determinant आ गया -4. वैसे भी मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करना है तो बिल्कुल उसी तरह हम फाइंड करेंगे, लेकिन मैट्रिक्स जो है तो A इज इक्वल टू ये 2, 3, 4, 6 दिया है, तो इसका डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले इन दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा हमें. सो 2 6 आर 12, 4 3 आर 12, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Then this matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. Okay, and the last one is transpose of a matrix. इसमें हम 3/3 का डिटर्मिनेंट भी निकालना है. वो एग्जांपल की प्रैक्टिस हमें ऑलरेडी 11th में की है. दिस इज ओनली द रिवीजन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस की. नाउ 13 वन इज द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. ट्रांसपोज मतलब इंटरचेंज करना है दोस्तों, ट्रांसफर करना है. क्या करना है? ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स कैन बी ऑब्टेन बाय इंटरचेंजिंग इट्स रोज एंड कॉलम्स. रोज और कॉलम्स हमें क्या करना है? इंटरचेंज करने हैं. That matrix is called as a transpose of a matrix. So इसका नोटेशन क्या रहेगा? A dash or A transpose. This is called as a transpose of a matrix. Suppose A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 0, 1, -1. What is the order of this matrix? First row, second row, and how many columns are there? First, second, third. 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. Correct. So what is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix? 3/2, right? Here is 3 rows, first row, second row and third row. And how many columns are there? 2 columns. That's why this is a 3/2 order. So what happens here when we take the transpose of the given matrix? So row is converted into the column. With this first row is converted to first column and second row is converted to second column. Then this matrix is called as a transpose of a matrix. This is very simple. So these are all about the matrices of 11th and types of matrices. Again we have discussed here some addition of 2 matrices, subtraction of 2 matrices, multiplication of 2 matrices. When we start the next lesson, matrix of 12th standard, then we will again more discuss about this one. Okay, so thank you.